Mazda has unveiled the first official images of its upcoming EZ-60, a fully electric SUV that will be sold exclusively in China through the automaker's joint venture with Changan Automobile. The EZ-60 continues the design philosophy seen in last year's EZ6 electric sedan, the first model born from the Mazda-Changan collaboration, boasting sleek, elegant styling that blends Mazda's signature aesthetic with modern EV design cues. Much like the EZ6, the new EZ-60 is expected to be based on an existing Changan model, most likely the Deepal S07, which is currently available with both pure electric and range extender plug-in hybrid configurations. This shared foundation suggests that Mazda's SUV will offer similar versatility and powertrain options, while incorporating its own distinctive design language and driving dynamics. Mazda's earlier venture into the electric vehicle market, the MX-30, introduced in the US for the 2022 model year, was less successful. Limited to sales in California, the MX-30 suffered from a restricted 100-mile range and tight rear seating, leading to disappointing demand and its eventual discontinuation after just 1 year. Despite that setback, Mazda has been steadily expanding its EV ambitions, particularly in China, where demand for electric vehicles continues to surge. The introduction of the EZ-60 marks a significant step in Mazda's renewed electric strategy. The company plans to fully unveil the EZ-60 at the Shanghai Auto Show later this month, signaling its determination to strengthen its presence in the world's largest EV market. The Mazda EZ-60 builds upon the foundation laid by the EZ6 sedan known in Europe as the 6e, which made its debut last year. Like its sibling, the EZ-60 showcases a sleek and refined aesthetic that closely mirrors the errata concept unveiled at the 2024 Beijing Auto Show, reinforcing Mazda's evolving design language for its new generation of electric vehicles. At the front, the EZ-60 features a distinctive illuminated LED light bar that stretches outward from its narrow, angular headlights. This signature lighting element outlines a trapezoidal grille shape, a modern reinterpretation of Mazda's familiar face. Just above the grille trim, a slim air duct appears to channel airflow beneath a subtle aero wing integrated into the hood, hinting at the vehicle's focus on aerodynamic efficiency and futuristic styling. Along the sides, the EZ-60's smooth, flowing surfaces are sculpted with sharp, precise character lines that form an elegant, dynamic beltline. In place of traditional mirrors, the SUV incorporates slim exterior cameras, designed to reduce aerodynamic drag and enhance driving range, a feature increasingly common among next-generation EVs. Toward the rear, the D-pillar features a deep, forward-sweeping air duct, a design element reminiscent of the sporty Mazda 3 hatchback, adding both visual intrigue and aerodynamic function. Completing the design is Mazda's revised brand emblem, which adopts a slightly more angular and modern appearance. First previewed last year, this refreshed logo signals the company's transition into a new era of electrification and design sophistication, with the EZ-60 serving as a bold expression of Mazda's future direction. While Mazda has yet to release official specifications for the EZ-60, including details about its powertrain or performance, industry observers expect the new SUV to share much of its engineering DNA with an existing Changan model. This approach mirrors the development strategy used for the EZ6 sedan, which was built on the Deepal S07 platform from Changan's Deepal sub-brand. In line with that precedent, the EZ-60 is widely believed to be based on the Deepal S07, a sleek mid-size SUV available in both fully electric, EV, and range extender plug-in hybrid, PHEV, configurations. If this proves true, Mazda's version is likely to benefit from the same advanced powertrain options, combining strong performance, long range, and efficient energy use, while being refined with Mazda's signature emphasis on driving dynamics, comfort, and design. Mazda has not yet confirmed which of these configurations will power the EZ-60, but given the growing consumer demand for flexibility in the Chinese EV market, it's possible that both variants could be offered. The company's engineers are also expected to tune the chassis and suspension to deliver the smooth, engaging Jinba-Itai driving feel that defines the brand's vehicles. Enthusiasts and analysts alike won't have to wait long for more information. Mazda is set to reveal full details of the EZ-60, including its specifications, features, and market positioning, at the Shanghai Auto Show, which opens on April 23. This debut will mark an important milestone in Mazda's continued expansion into China's rapidly growing electric vehicle sector.